That's enough.
So tell them what you're
That's
doing.
enough or more. Cinnamon challenge. That's enough or more.
I love more. There you go.
How could something so good try to like kill me? Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh, I'm scared. Even though I've done this 3 times. And why would I do this 3 times? It smells good. You wanna smell it?
Why don't you do it?
Smell it.
I know. It
Okay.
smells delicious. It smells really weird.
Because I know I'm gonna need it.
Just go.
Alright.
That's the other thing.
Well, that tasted like shit.
I warned you.
I don't know how people can swallow this.
Ashley,
Can you get them their toys?
I gave him one.
Who?
Michael, you earned it.